Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here you can see the volume section, tap there, and just here you can mute your ringtone by swap this blue dot to the left side. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Here we got on the side of our device the volume buttons. Just go back here to the sound section. You can use these buttons to do that. Just press. Okay, we should just go to the home screen. Just by press your up or down volume button. Here you'll see the volume panel, but first be sure that here on the on this volume section, here we got the use volume keys from media. Just disable this option to use your volume key to change the ringtone volume, not the media volume. So now we just can switch we can just disable or mute our ringtone by press the down volume button. So that's how it looks, and also we can make it with our finger or with the pen. We can switch this panel here to the downside. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.